Hello students, in last lecture we had seen some organometallic compounds and how those organometallic compounds are useful for the synthesis of the various organic compounds like alcohols, alkanes and etc. And those organometallic compounds were the organolithium compounds, Grignard's reagent. Now let us see the new kind of the organometallic compound, that is organocopper compounds. Now as we know that in organocopper compound the name copper is embedded there, and that's why it indicates that the organometallic compound in which the copper metal is get used. Organometallic compound like lithium dialkyl cuprate are prepared by the reaction of two molecules of the alkyl lithium with a copper halide in diethyl ether and in presence or tetrahydro in presence of tetrahydrofuran. Now let us see the preparation of organocopper compounds. How the organocopper compounds are get prepared. Now in first step, firstly we have to react the alkyl halides with the lithium compound in order to prepare the alkyl lithium. Now this alkyl lithium is then reacted with the cuprous halide, copper halide in presence of dry ether to give this lithium dialkyl cuprate, and this lithium dialkyl cuprate is the organocopper compound. Now this lithium methyl cuprate is prepared by the reaction of methyl bromide. Now this is a general example, this is a specific example. Let us see the specific example. This methyl bromide, when reacted with the lithium compound, it forms a methyl lithium, that is organolithium compound, and when this methyl lithium two molecules are get reacted with the copper iodide, it forms a lithium dialkyl cuprate. So this is a lithium dimethyl cuprate, lithium dimethyl cuprate compound. Now let us see how this methyl compound cuprate is useful for the synthesis of the compound. Now synthesis of alkane from the lithium dialkyl cuprate. The alkanes are get synthesized by using this dialkyl cuprate. Now here the reaction is given. This lithium dialkyl cuprate, when reacted with the alkyl halide, when we react it with the alkyl halide, it produces a alkanes. आपल्याला काय मिळतं? This alkane, in this reaction, the formation of carbon-carbon bond of alkyl group of alkyl halide and the alkyl group of dialkyl cuprate. Alkyl group of this alkyl halide and alkyl group of this dialkyl cuprate takes place. So here this reaction is very useful for the formation of this carbon-carbon bond, carbon-carbon network, what we call the specific example given here is this lithium dimethyl cuprate when reacted with the iododecane. Decane means 10 carbon atoms are there. Let us see how the 10 carbons. Here this carbon number 1, these are 8, that means 8, 8, 1, 9 and 10. So it is a iododecane. When this reaction of this lithium dimethyl cuprate iododecane in presence of dry ether, it forms a undecane. This is a undecane 8, 9, 10, 11. Undecane means 11 carbon, 12 carbon chain, 1, 2, 8 to 10 and this 11 carbon chain. 11 carbons are those, so it is called as a undecane. It forms a undecane. That means this reaction is useful for the formation of alkanes. Now this is the organocopper compound. This copper metal it is get what we say amalgamated or it is get reacted to the lithium. So here next compound is the organozinc compound. Here the organozinc compound, that means carbon zinc bond is there, and that is useful for the synthesis of various compounds. Let us see organozinc compound. The organometallic compound मध्ये काय carbon and zinc metal is there containing, and the less reactive. This is less reactive. Actually, organozinc compound is less reactive than the Grignard's reagent and organolithium compound. Organolithium compound पेक्षा किंवा Grignard's reagent पेक्षा organozinc compound आपल्याला कमी reactive आहे. So there are several types of the organozinc compounds having carbon zinc bond. वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे बॉन्ड आहेत. आपण त्याच्यामध्ये बघू काही compounds इथे आपल्याला दिलेले आहे. Example, for example, here the compounds R2Zn, C2H5Zn, that is diethyl zinc म्हणतो आपण त्याला. Here iodomethyl zinc, that is iodine मिथिल ग्रुप अँड झिंक आयोडाईड ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, मिथाईल झिंक आयोडाईड, आयोडो मिथाईल झिंक आयोडाईड. आता आपण बघूया हा कंपाऊंड हाऊ इट इज गेट सिंथेसाइज्ड. सो organo compounds are prepared by the reaction between the alkyl halide and the zinc metal in presence of the ether. Dialkyl compound जो आहे it twice zinc बरोबर in presence of ether आपल्याला reaction is get carried out आणि आपल्याला मिळतो diorgano zinc. Di means two alkyl groups are attached to the zinc compound. So here another example, this methyl two molecules of ethyl iodide when reacted with two molecules of zinc in presence of diether, it forms a diethyl zinc. So this is the preparation, one preparation. Now next preparation the diiodomethane, that is two molecules of this iodine. Diiodomethane when react with the zinc copper couple, it gives in presence of dry ether, it gives us a iodomethyl zinc iodide. हा आहे आयोडोमिथाईल झिंक आयोडाईड कंपाऊंड आपल्याला मिळतो. सो अशा इन दिस वे वी आर एबल टू सिंथेसाइज द ऑर्गॅनो झिंक कंपाऊंड. नाउ लेट अस सी हाऊ दिस ऑर्गॅनो कंपाउंड्स cyclopropanes how useful to preparation of this alkane. That means this organo zinc compounds are useful for the preparation of cyclopropanes, and the preparation of cyclopropane is carried out in presence of organo zinc compound. That reaction is called as a Simon-Smith reaction. या रिएक्शनला काय म्हणतात, Simon-Smith reaction. So what is Simon-Smith reaction? This is the reaction which is used for the preparation of cyclopropane. This is an effective method for the preparation of bicyclic compounds having cyclopropane ring. The bicyclic compound तयार करण्यासाठी हा कंपाऊंड वापरला जातो. त्याच्यामध्ये काय केलं जातं, diiodomethane in which two molecules of iodine are there and reacted with the couple Zn कपल बरोबर ज्या वेळेला रिॲक्शन कॅरीड आउट केली जाते, हिअर डायआयोडोमिथेनची रिॲक्शन झिंक कॉपर कपल बरोबर इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ ड्राय इथर, आपल्याला माहिती आहे आयोडोमिथाईल झिंक आयोडाईड आपल्याला तयार होतो. अँड विथ दिस आयोडोमिथाईल झिंक आयोडाईड इज रिॲक्टेड विथ दिस CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2 दॅट इथिलीन ग्रुप व्हॉट वी कॉल्ड दॅट फॉर्म्स ए सायक्लोप्रॉपेन. ते कसं होतं आपल्याला सायक्लोप्रॉपेन इज गेट फॉर्म. याच्यामध्ये रिॲक्शन कशी कॅरीड आउट केली जाते की झिंक मेटल जो आहे हा डेल्टा पॉझिटिव्ह असतो, त्यामुळे मेटल काय आहे निगेटिव्हली चार्ज असतो. त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, याच्यामध्ये डबल बॉन्ड आहे आता CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2. सो वन ऑफ द बॉन्ड इज गेट शिफ्टेड ओव्हर हिअर, सो इट अक्वायर्स निगेटिव्ह चार्ज अँड इट अक्वायर्स डेल्टा positive charge. One of the carbon atom becomes positive, one of the carbon atom becomes negative. Here carbon atom is negative. So this in this way here the attack takes place. This negatively charged carbon attacks over here, charge is shifted, and this in this way this cyclic compound cyclopropane is get synthesized. अशा प्रकारे सिंथेसिस करू शकतो. जशा प्रकारचं कंपाऊंड आपल्याला तयार करायचं त्यानुसार सेकंड रिॲक्शन बघा, डायआयोडोमिथेन बरोबर ZnCu कपल इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ इथर आयोडोमिथाईल झिंक आयोडाईड तयार होईल आणि आपल्याला हा सायक्लिक कंपाऊंड याच्याबरोबर C डबल बॉन्ड C कंटेनिंग कंपाऊंड बरोबर रिॲक्शन केली तर आपल्याला हा बघा इथे हा कंपाऊंड तयार झाला, त्याला म्हणतात बायसायक्लो 4,1 हेप्टेन. हा दोन सायकल आहे म्हणून बायसायक्लो 4,1. 4,1 म्हणजे काय, कार्बन नंबर 4 आणि कार्बन नंबर 1 ला सेकंड रिंग जॉईंट आहे. दिस कार्बन नंबर 1 2 3 कार्बन नंबर 1 2 3 4. सो 4,1 ला आपल्याला जॉईंट आहे, दॅट्स वाय इट इज ए हेप्टेन. 7 कार्बन आहेत एकूण म्हणून इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज ए हेप्टेन. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला दिस कॉपर कंपाऊंड्स आर युजफुल फॉर द सिंथेसिस ऑफ बायसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड्स. बायसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड सिंथेसिस करण्यासाठी आपल्याला उपयोगाचे असतात. सो इन दिस वे in this chapter we have seen organometallic compounds, different organometallic compounds, and this last reaction is reformatsky reaction. ही reformatsky reaction आहे, actually it is also the organo zinc compound ची reaction ज्याला आपण म्हणतो. it is get reformatsky reaction म्हणजे काय, in this reaction organo zinc derivative of alpha haloester reacts with the carbonyl compound. तो कोणाबरोबर रिॲक्ट होता, अल्फा हॅलो इस्टर ज्याला आपण म्हणतो झिंक ऑर्गॅनो झिंक कंपाऊंड. तो आपल्याला तयार कार्बोनिल कंपाऊंड बरोबर रिॲक्ट होतो टू प्रोड्यूस ए बीटा हायड्रॉक्सी इस्टर. त्याच्यापासून काय तयार होतो? बीटा हायड्रॉक्सी रिॲक्शन इस्टर. या रिॲक्शनमध्ये काय होतं? अल्फा हॅलो इस्टर जो आहे पहिल्यांदा काय, दिस इज अल्फा हॅलो इस्टर. अल्फा हॅलो म्हणजे अल्फा पोझिशनला ब्रोमिन आहे, हॅलोजन ग्रुप आहे, म्हणून इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ अल्फा हॅलो इस्टर. हा अल्फा हॅलो इस्टर जो आहे इट रिॲक्ट्स विथ द झिंक मेटल. झिंक मेटल बरोबर रिॲक्ट होते इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ बेन्झीन आणि आपल्याला तयार होतो इथाइल ब्रोमो झिंक ॲसिटेट. इट इज ऑर्गॅनो झिंक कंपाऊंड. इथाइल ब्रोमो झिंक ॲसिटेट तयार होतो. हा इथाइल ब्रोमो झिंक ॲसिटेट जो आहे दॅट रिॲक्ट्स विथ दिस बेंजाल्डिहाइड. रिॲक्शनमध्ये काय होतं? त्याचे बेंजाल्डिहाइड म्हणजे कार्बोनिल कंपाऊंड असलेल्या कंपाऊंड बरोबर रिॲक्ट होते टू प्रोड्यूस ए बीटा हायड्रॉक्सी. म्हणजे हा अल्फा कार्बन आणि बीटा कार्बनला OH आहे म्हणून त्याला म्हणतो बीटा हायड्रॉक्सी इस्टर. आर सी डबल बॉन्ड OR डॅश असलेला कंपाऊंड हा इस्टर आपल्याला तयार करता येऊ शकतो. दॅट रिॲक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज अ रिफॉर्मॅट्स्की रिॲक्शन अँड रिफॉर्मॅट्स्की रिॲक्शन इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ ऑर्गॅनो झिंक कंपाऊंड. So in this way, this chapter is get completed. In this chapter, we have seen organometallic compound. In organometallic compound, there is a formation of carbon metal bond, and that carbon metal bond is polar one because in carbon metal bond, carbon is more electronegative than the metal, and that's why it acquires a negative charge, and that negative charge acts as a carbanion or it acts as a nucleophile, and it attacks on the compound having positive charge or carbonyl compound, and the carbonyl compound it reacts with the carbonyl compound, and that's why they are useful for the synthesis of the number of compounds. And we had seen the example of organolithium compound, organomagnesium compound, organozinc compound, organocuprates. In this way, all these organometallic compounds are useful for the synthesis of alcohols, alkanes, and as we have seen the example of the cuprates which are useful for the formation of cyclic compounds or bicyclic compounds. So in this way, this chapter is get completed. If you have any kind of difficulties, please ask me on the WhatsApp group. Write your name in the comment in order to have the attendance. See the lecture completely. And now I am scrolling some questions for your reference, which are objective, which are useful in terms of the examination. So these are the questions you should have to go through it. These are 1 mark, 2 mark questions. If you want to take the screenshot, then these are the some questions. So see the lecture completely. In next period we will see the inorganic part, that is different types of the theories for formation of the bonding in the compound. Thank you very much.